Welcome to the realm of the ketogenic diet, a transformative approach to fueling your body and reshaping your health. Have you ever imagined a diet where indulging in cheese, bacon, and avocados could lead to weight loss? Curious about a nutrition plan that promises mental clarity while shedding stubborn pounds? Buckle up as we embark on the ultimate keto journey, unraveling the secrets behind this high-fat, low-carb lifestyle. What if I told you that fat could be your body's preferred fuel source, leading to a surge in energy levels and a leaner physique? Ready to explore a diet that revolutionizes traditional food perceptions, emphasizing satiating fats over carb-heavy staples? Join us as we demystify the keto diet, empowering you to kickstart your journey toward sustainable weight loss and enhanced vitality. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the true verdict, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional instructionals for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. So let's try and get an understanding of the keto diet. Beyond its trendy status, the keto diet operates on a fascinating scientific principle: ketosis. This metabolic state transforms the body's energy source, shifting from carbohydrates to fat as its primary fuel. Picture this. By slashing carb intake and increasing healthy fats, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, producing ketones for fuel. Science behind ketosis. Ketosis occurs when carb intake is drastically reduced, prompting the body to tap into stored fat for energy production. As fats break down, ketones are released, serving as a potent fuel source for the brain and muscles. This metabolic shift not only aids weight loss but also enhances mental clarity and energy levels. Macronutrient breakdown. The keto diet typically comprises 70-75% fats, 20-25% proteins, and 5-10% carbohydrates. Healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts become staples, while carb-rich foods like bread and pasta take a backseat. Embracing nutrient-dense, low-carb veggies and moderate protein sources completes the macronutrient puzzle. Understanding this metabolic shift and balancing macronutrients unlocks the diet's transformative potential. Are you ready to revamp your eating habits, embracing fats over carbs for a leaner, more energized version of yourself? Stay tuned to dive deeper into the world of keto, uncovering its benefits and practical strategies for beginners. So now let's start talking about getting started on keto. Embarking on the keto journey requires preparation and a clear understanding of the initial steps to transition smoothly into this transformative lifestyle. Preparing for the transition. Before diving headfirst into keto, it's essential to bid adieu to carb-heavy temptations lingering in your pantry. Clear out processed foods, sugary treats, and starchy staples to make room for keto-friendly options. Brace yourself for potential initial side effects known as the keto flu, which might include fatigue or headaches as your body adapts to this metabolic shift. Essential foods on a keto diet. Stock up on keto-friendly foods to kickstart your journey. Think nutrient-rich leafy greens, avocados, eggs, fatty fish, nuts, and healthy oils like coconut or olive oil. Crafting meals centered around these foods forms the foundation of your ketogenic journey. Sample meal ideas for beginners. From avocado and egg breakfast bowls to zucchini noodle dishes and flavorful salads topped with grilled salmon, the keto menu offers a diverse array of delicious options. These meal ideas not only support ketosis but also keep your taste buds delighted. Are you ready to bid farewell to carb-centric meals and welcome a world of flavorful, fat-fueled dishes? Stay tuned as we delve into the art of crafting satisfying meals and navigating the initial phases of the keto diet, ensuring a seamless transition to this enriching lifestyle. Here's how to do meal planning and some recipes. Crafting meals on the keto diet involves an artful balance of macronutrients while relishing a spectrum of delicious, satisfying dishes. Building balanced keto meals. The essence of keto lies in striking the perfect balance between fats, proteins, and minimal carbs. Designing meals that align with this ratio fuels your body into ketosis. Incorporate healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil alongside moderate protein sources such as chicken, fish, and tofu. Fill your plate with non-starchy veggies, like spinach and broccoli, for essential micronutrients and fiber while keeping carb counts low. Tips for meal prepping on keto. Prepare for success by planning your meals ahead. Batch cook protein sources and veggies to assemble quick, keto-friendly meals throughout the week. Having readily available keto staples in your fridge can ward off temptations and streamline your journey to ketosis. Recipes and cooking tips. From creamy cauliflower mash to cheesy zucchini noodles and indulgent bacon-wrapped avocado, the keto repertoire offers diverse, palate-pleasing options. Experiment with spices, herbs, and alternative ingredients to elevate flavors without compromising on your carb limits. Keto-friendly recipes aren't just about restriction. They're about discovering a world of delicious, nourishing meals that fuel your body and tantalize your taste buds. Join us as we uncover cooking techniques, innovative recipes, and smart tips to keep your keto journey exciting and rewarding. Are you ready to savor delectable meals while achieving your health and fitness goals on the keto diet? Stay tuned for culinary inspiration that redefines your approach to eating. Challenges can happen, but do not fret. Here's a guide on navigating challenges and pitfalls. The keto journey isn't devoid of challenges, but overcoming them leads to a more profound understanding of this transformative lifestyle. Overcoming plateaus. At times, progress may stall, and weight loss could plateau. Strategies like intermittent fasting, adjusting macronutrient ratios, or incorporating short bursts of exercise can reignite your body's fat-burning furnace, propelling you past these plateaus. Addressing common misconceptions. Misconceptions surrounding the keto diet often arise. Debunking myths, such as the belief that fats are universally harmful, provides clarity and empowers informed decision-making. Understanding the sustainability and long-term viability of keto ensures a balanced perspective on this lifestyle. Navigating these challenges equips you with the resilience needed for sustained success. Stay tuned as we unravel strategies to overcome hurdles, debunk myths, and foster a deeper comprehension of the keto diet's intricacies. By conquering challenges, you pave the way for a fulfilling and enduring relationship with this empowering nutritional approach. Here is how you can track progress and adjustments. Monitoring your journey on the keto diet involves more than just stepping on a scale. It's about understanding your body's response and making informed adjustments. Importance of tracking. Track your food intake, ketone levels, and how your body feels. Ketone strips or monitors can help measure ketosis, while keeping a food diary unveils patterns in your eating habits. Observing changes in energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being adds depth to your progress analysis. Adjustments and tweaks. Recognizing when to tweak your approach is crucial. If progress stalls or you feel fatigued, reassess your macronutrient ratios or incorporate new foods. Incorporating exercise or intermittent fasting might also jumpstart your metabolism. By keenly observing your body's signals and adjusting your approach accordingly, you personalize your keto journey for maximum effectiveness. Stay tuned for insights on tracking tools and strategies for making informed adjustments, ensuring your keto experience is both sustainable and results-driven. Time to discuss lifestyle integration and long-term success. Adopting the keto lifestyle extends beyond the dinner table. It's about seamlessly integrating this approach into your daily life and ensuring lasting success. Incorporating keto into daily life. Navigating social settings or dining out while staying keto-friendly can initially pose challenges. However, armed with knowledge about keto-friendly options and smart substitutions, you can enjoy gatherings without derailing your progress. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods when traveling, ensuring you have nourishing options while on the move. Sustaining the keto lifestyle. Sustainability is the cornerstone of lasting success. Building a supportive community, whether online or with friends and family, fosters accountability and encouragement. It's not merely a diet. It's a lifestyle. One that evolves, adapts, and becomes a seamless part of your everyday routine. Strategies for long-term adherence. Embrace the flexibility keto offers. It's not about rigid rules but about making choices that align with your health and well-being. Experiment with new recipes, stay curious, and appreciate the diverse range of keto-friendly foods available. Celebrate the non-scale victories, enhanced energy, mental clarity, and improved overall health, as they signify the holistic benefits of your keto journey. Sustainability hinges on finding joy in your keto lifestyle, making it a sustainable and enriching part of your everyday routine. Join us as we explore strategies for seamlessly integrating keto into diverse aspects of life, ensuring your journey transcends temporary changes to become a lifelong, empowering commitment to health and vitality. Congratulations on embarking on the keto journey. You've discovered the power of reshaping your relationship with food and fueling your body for lasting vitality. As you navigate the diverse flavors and strategies of the ketogenic lifestyle, remember, it's not just about losing weight. It's about embracing a sustainable, health-focused approach. Now, armed with knowledge, recipes, and strategies, continue exploring the transformative potential of keto. Embrace the joy of diverse, delicious meals while reaping the holistic benefits, enhanced energy, mental clarity, and a fitter you. Let's fuel our bodies and minds together with the empowering keto lifestyle. Are you ready to unlock your potential and make keto a lifelong commitment to vibrant health? Dive in, savor the journey, and watch yourself thrive.